welcome to a very short vlog today. We are here at Movie Park Germany and they did open a new roller coaster.
Today?
Actually, yeah, today is the opening day and you can see behind me it is called Movie Park Germany Studio Tour. And yeah, first I will show you some impressions of the ride. Unfortunately, I can't show you any impressions from inside the ride because videos during the rides are not allowed here at Movie Park. But I think I will show you some impressions from inside the queue line, the pre-show, and afterwards Matthias and I will give you a short review of the ride. So first, enjoy the impressions.
Meine sehr geehrten Damen und Herren, liebe Kinder, willkommen in den legendären Movie Park Studios. Mein Name ist Andy, Regieassistent des weltberühmten Regisseurs und Visionärs Steven Spielberg.
Hallo, könnt ihr mich hören? Alles klar.
Was machst du denn da?
Ich dachte, wir machen die Führung heute zusammen.
Ja, natürlich. Also Leute, das hier ist das...
Ich bin das Self-Driving Automotive Motion System. Ihr könnt mich aber auch gerne Sam nennen. Man könnte auch sagen, ich bin das Hirn dieser Tour.
Hey!
Ach, jetzt hab dich nicht so. Und spann die Leute nicht länger auf die Folter. Es geht los.
Das Mitnehmen von Handys, Schlüsseln, Portemonnaies und sonstigen losen Gegenständen ist verboten. Viele unserer Sitze sind
Das nächste passt auf den Hauptstadt.
Okay, yeah, to give you a short review of the ride, I think it's Matthias and maybe Matthias will give you his opinion afterwards also, but for me it is actually the best roller coaster here in the park. It is a family ride. It's not that fast, and what I think is very special about this ride is that it has very many details experience during the ride. It is, for me, sometimes more kind of a dark ride, but yeah, it is to be a dark ride. Sometimes it's too fast. You're not able to see everything, every detail, and I think I will never be able to spot every detail, even if I ride it 100 times. So now it's your turn, Matthias. Maybe Matthias has to say some more things about the ride.
Yeah, I would like to tell you more about what you can expect from the ride itself. It is a multi-dimension coaster from Intamin, and it has some special elements in it. It has a backwards launch, it has a forward launch, and it has a turntable on it. And yeah, those three elements make the ride, I think, interesting. It's interesting, and what you can see inside is yeah, it is a studio, like you go into a film studio where you can see the set from 3 movies. They don't say it is the movie, but it is from Twister, from King Kong, and from Fast and Furious.
Hello.
So, and because of all those details, we have to ride it again now.
So our vlog is coming to an end already. As I announced, it was a very, very short vlog because it was just meant to yeah, introduce you to the new roller coaster that opened today here.
Yeah, maybe we are going to do a vlog for you from the whole day here at Movie Park, but we would really recommend you to come on a Halloween day here at Movie Park, because that's a really, really great event here at the park. And we may come here and show you the park at the Halloween
whole park.
event.
But at the moment there are many rides closed.
Also
so
the shows are not
yes,
here.
and they are also worth to see. So
Yes, very good.
And behind us, by the way, you can see Star Trek. But yeah, we will tell you more about it in a different video. So we hope you enjoyed today's video, and we say goodbye and see you in our next video. Bye!